Hi students, today we will discuss some important topics regarding the subject science. We will understand the concept of atom, nucleus, protons and electrons. We will understand the concept of positive and negative charge as well, and all these things we will understand through PhET simulations so that our concepts will be more concrete. As you can see, students, here we can discuss here the structure of atom. As you can see here in this video I am playing, there are protons, there are electrons, there are neutrons at the bottom, and on the right side you can see here in this video there you can see the periodic table, and there is the net charge and mass number you can see on the right side. Now what we will do, you can see here I have put one proton in the nucleus and one neutron in the nucleus, and on the right side you can see the hydrogen atom has been highlighted in the periodic table, and once it is in a periodic table, that with the net charge +1 and the mass number is 2. That is, mass number is the number of protons and number of neutrons. Since it has the charge +1 because we don't have the electron in it, so what we will do here, my dear students, we will add one more electron. Like I have dragged it from the, here you can see from the electron bucket is there. I have dragged it and I have put it in the first orbit, and you can see the charge. As you can see here, the net charge will be 0 and the neutral atom of hydrogen has been created. Now I have added more protons from the proton bucket, and I have added the neutron in the nucleus, and you can see the atom helium has been created and it has been highlighted in the periodic table. Now you can see the atom helium has been highlighted, and with the mass number 4 and helium ion has been created. Now what we will do here is we will do one thing. We have added one more electron to make helium ion a neutral helium atom. Now in this way we can add more electrons, more protons, more neutrons. Accordingly new atoms and ions will be created, and thus this is the simulation by which we will able to understand the concept of atom, concept of mass number, concept of ions very easily and in a concrete way. Now what we can see here, we have added here 5 protons. Simple, what I am doing is I am dragging the 5 protons from the proton bucket as shown here in the below, and I have added 5 neutrons from the neutron bucket here, and I have put in the nucleus. And you can see here in the video that what I have to do to make the stable boron, I have to add 5 electrons, and these 5 electrons I need to add in the 2 electrons in the first orbit. As I can see here, if I add third one, it will not be accepted by the first orbit because the capacity of this first orbit is 2 electrons. I have added these 2 electrons. After that I have added 3 electrons, total 5 electrons to make the boron atom stable. So likewise we can create more atoms, more ions by adding more protons, neutrons and electrons, and in this way this is the we can say sort of experiment we are doing by using this simulation, by which we are able to understand the concept of atom, concept of ion and concept of mass number. And likewise this is the simulation by which we can see which orbit has the capacity of how many electrons and which orbit has the capacity of, we can say, 2 electrons, 8 electrons, and after that the third orbit that accepts 16 electrons. So this is the way we can say by which we can understand the concept of atom, ion and we can say stable atom and unstable atom. Likewise we have also understood the concept of charge. There is a meter charge on the right side. It shows if it is like +1, it will show the plus charge. If it is minus, the meter will be on the negative side. So I hope this short video has helped you to understand the concept of atom, and thank you for watching.